Let us see how to customize our ZSH terminal so that we can show the git branch name for our repo along with the folder name or whatever that we want to show in our terminal. So to start with this one, I can so the ZHS terminal commands are found in the etc folder shrc file. So if you go to the end of this file, you'll see this PS1. So what you see here is what we have for what we show in the terminal. This N is for the name, and this is the MacBook name, and this is the folder, and so on. So how we can customize our git prompt is shown here. You can read it in this here. So if you look at this one, you can see a description of it is provided here. You can go through this one. I'll share the link of it, and so I'll open this git-prompt.sh. I'll share the link for this one also. So to customize our ZSH file, we need to add, you can read it here, we need to add this command to our .zshrc file. For this one, first we have to source this file. To do this, let me first download this file to a location. So we can say Control S or Command S. So I can go to a download location. I will go to the root folder, home folder, and click save. I think I have already created that one, so I can replace it. Then if you and then after saving that one, I need to call this for ZSH. So let me go to my terminal. I'll close this file. Now when we need to customize something, we'll be using this file. So it is in the home folder and it is in the ZS. So its name is if you do not have this file, you might have to manually create this one. So I think I already have this file because I have already added some configurations. This is the current configuration. I will delete this one so that we can do it from the beginning. So I will first source this one. So I have copied that to the root folder, but so let me try to show it. So in my root folder, I have this git-prompt.sh. So this one doesn't. This is not a hidden file. So I'll just source without the initial dot. So I will copy this one and change this one to git-prompt.sh, and then what I need to do is I need to call this one. So let me call this. So if I call this like this, and if I save this file, I can call W. You can use any editor you like to edit this file. I'm using Vim. So if I save that one, and if I go to a folder with a repo, so I have to first source that. So first I need to source the ZSH file. so it will change, to this format. So what format? This is the name followed by it, and then the Mac OS name and the branch name. So to get to the branch name, let me navigate to a folder where there is a, there is a git branch. So here my git branch is alpha 4 in this ballerina lang folder. So it is shown here, but this is not very colorful. So to change this one to as we please, you can look it up here in this file. So if you go here, it says to change the color you have to start with %f and end with %f and add cyan. So what I'm going to do is copy this one and I'll change this here. So I don't want this bracket, so I will delete this. I will delete the bracket and I will delete this n also, and then I also not need to show the book name. So let me delete that also, and let me paste this color. So I would like to have it as cyan, cyan, but I don't want this name. I also don't want this. I want the root folder only without this. So what this will do is, look up here. So %1 is current working directory path without the home folder. So % only will have the current working, the full path to the current working directory. So that's what I want. So let me save this and source my file. Hope it should work. So here you see that it is the full name of the working directory. So what is shown by pwd without the showing the home folder. That's what I wanted. Without showing this home folder, this gives me the full working directory. Now I want to change the color of alpha 4. Suppose I want to rename it to so change the color to yellow. What I will do is, I will go here. So it's the same thing. So I will have to, I will also want to bold it, make it bold. So I have to use %b to make it bold. So I will copy this one here and paste it here, and now I need to terminate these two. So it should be before this. So I need to change the color of only the branch name, not the $sign. So what I will do is finish this one. This one will finish it, complete the color code. So I will paste this here and I will save, and let me try to source this file again. So that is a different color. What I wanted was yellow. Did I change? Okay, so I wanted this color to be yellow. So I will paste this one here and change the color to be yellow. So I will save this file, then let me source it again. So this color is yellow, this is cyan, and I have this $sign without as usual in white. And that's how you had add the branch name to your ZSH terminal. It is very easy, and you change the uh, configure your colors as you please. Thank you for watching.